Hi everyone, my name is Nargis Nasreen and we are here to solve another question on SQL, and today is day 72 of solving 100 questions on SQL. So the question we are going to solve today is top 5 states with 5-star businesses, and this question got asked in here. So the question is, find the top 5 states with most 5-star businesses. Output the state name along with the number of 5-star businesses and order records by the number of 5-star businesses in descending order. In case there are ties in the number of businesses, return all the unique states. If two states have the same result, then sort them in alphabetical order. Okay, so what we have to do, we basically have to find out top 5 states and their based on their number of 5-star businesses they have. Okay, and here it is mentioned in the question that if there are ties in the number of businesses, like if two states have the same number of businesses, we have to return all the unique state. Okay, and then to present them properly, we have to order it in the alphabetical order of the state name. So let's see the table here. So we have this table, we have business, and these are the column names. Okay, so first of all, what we are going to do, we are going to select only those businesses where the number of stars are 5. Okay, so I'm going to write down where stars is equal to 5. Let's run this. Okay, now I'm going to select a state so that we get the state name and the business in that state. So I'm going to use business ID. Let's run this. Okay, so these are the state name and these are the business IDs present in that state. Next, what we have to do, we have to count the number of businesses in each state. So I'm going to write down count, and we are doing it for each unique state. So I'm going to do group by one state. Let's run this. So yeah, we are getting this. In this state, there are 10 businesses. In this state, there are 3, and so on. Okay, now next what we have to do, we have to find out top 5 businesses. So I'm going to rank these states based on the number of businesses they have, and then we are going to find out top 5. So here I'm going to use dense rank. Okay, then over clause, order by number of businesses they have, right? So I'm going to use this in descending order so that the state which has most number of businesses will get the top rank. Okay, and one more thing, we are going to order it on the state name. Okay, let's name this as RN. Now let's run this. We are getting this. Okay, this state has 10 businesses, so the rank is 1, 5, rank is 2, and so on. Okay, so yeah, this is what we are getting. Next, what we have to do, we have to find out top 5. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to use CT. So I'm going to write down with CT as select star from city. Let's run this. Let's do one thing. Let's name this as business count. Okay, so I'm going to select state name, then this column name from CTE, where I'm going to put RN values less than equal to 5. Okay, so yeah, we have this, and yeah, so let's run this. Okay. Okay, so we are getting the state name. Now next, what we are going to do, we are going to check the expected output. This is what we are getting. So let's see the expected output. So in expected output as well, we have the same thing. That is, these are the businesses. These are the states and the number of businesses in it. Okay. Now let's see whether our query is correct or not. So let's submit it. Okay, I think we have done one mistake because these 3 states have the same count. So as mentioned in the question, that if there are ties in the number of businesses, we have to return all the unique state. I think I have done a mistake here. So let me run this first. And let's remove this and put star from here. Start here so that we can see it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5. Yeah, I think now it is correct. Okay, so let me do one thing. I'm going to write down state name, then business count from CTE, where RN value is less than or equal to 5. Let's run this. And here we are going to see the expected output. So we have seen the expected output. So these are the top 5 businesses. See, this is the top 1, second, third. All 3 is going to be in 4th, and this is going to be in 5th. Because it is mentioned in the question that if there is a tie, return all the unique state. Now, next thing is we are returning all the unique state. And if 2 states have the same result, then sort them in alphabetical order. So we have to sort it in alphabetical order for these 3. As O comes first, O comes before W. So what we are going to do, we are going to do order by state. Let's run this. Yeah. So now it is okay. We have to do order by business count in DESC, descending order, and then state. Now it is correct. Yeah. So now let's submit our solution. And it got accepted. So we did one mistake that I put it here. So because of that, it was ranking based on those 2 things. So it ranked similar business, like even though the few states had the similar number of count of businesses, but still there was one more order by, it ranked it differently. Okay, so we do not have to put it there. So you like it is, it's something that we need to take care of and we need to remember. So yeah, that's it. So that's about this question. Our query got accepted as well. So if you have any question in this problem, you can ask in the comment section. If you have more solution to this, you can put that too in the comment section. I hope you like this video. If you like it, keep liking. Do not forget to subscribe. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye-bye.